Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The pilot is coming running here. Look at that. He's controlling it. Uh-oh, Baba lost the plane, but trying to get it. And reduce throttle. Beautiful, baby. Look at that, mashallah. He's doing a very, very good job with the turns. When holding the radio, always put your thumb on the throttle, so throttle is 0. Elevator, yes. That was awesome. he's slapping himself during flight. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishanmao here with Arish Ali. He's going to fly a 4-channel RC plane, which is obviously a Voluntex RC plane sold by Top Race in USA. Alright, so Arish is going to take off for the very first time all by himself. Ready? Go.
Okay.
More throttle, immediately more throttle. Good. Look at that. He's controlling it. Uh-oh, Baba lost the plane, but trying to get it. It's right there, I think. Right there, I got it. It's very small, hard to get it, but look at that, mashallah. He's doing a very, very good job with the turns. I just gave him about a minute of training on what controls do. And he's, mashallah, doing a very, very good job with the controls. No, don't play, don't hooey, okay? Just learn to control nicely. Remember, if the plane is going down, slightly up elevator. Do not stall it, okay? Do not stall it. Sorry, I'm in front of the pilot. I'm a bad cameraman. Okay, how do you make a landing?
Landing? I know.
See, wind is coming from left, okay?
Baba, I think my back side has one zipper.
One what?
Zipper?
Nah, it's gone. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. This cannot return back. Left turn, left turn. Okay, reduce the throttle now.
Down.
Reduce the throttle so plane will lose the altitude. Just slightly left, left. Okay, keep going. No throttle, 0 throttle, okay? Okay, slightly right, make a circle. Beautiful, beautiful. I hope you guys can see the plane because I'm not zooming in. Okay, let it come down slowly. Now slightly throttle.
Up.
Little bit of speed, more speed, more speed. Okay, now make a nice left turn.
Go there.
Oh, right turn, sorry, left don't have much space. Yeah, good, very good. Now this is your approach. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Beautiful. That's nice, actually. But you can do it again. It's the fault of the landing gear, not yours. You did a very nice approach. He actually did a very nice approach. But the landing gear is really sticky. Put it down. Second attempt to make a good landing by Arish Ali. Okay? He knows where he's going. Immediately,
Half.
more than half throttle and it will rise in the skies.
And then down a little.
Down a little elevator. Go. Go. Yes, now control. Right. Good job. Keep going. Wherever you want, make an approach from there. But remember, you have to go farther. Much better than before. You have to try one more time. Go. Very good. The pilot is coming running here. Okay, keep a little bit throttle this time, okay? Very good. Make a turn and approach. And this time keep a little bit throttle, a little bit of elevator, yeah. And reduce throttle. Beautiful, baby. That was awesome. he's slapping himself during flight. Don't slap yourself during flight. That was the, you know, those are some bugs. Okay, one more try. One more try. This time I tell you what to do, okay? Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Always see. Now this is one mistake that I want to teach you, okay? When holding the radio, always put your thumb on the throttle. So throttle is 0. Okay? Never hold the radio from here, because then the throttle can go full. See? If it touch your clothes, it can go full. So always yes, and then move. So battery is running out, but Arish can try one last time to land. Go!
Ready?
Full throttle. Take off. I just taught him what to do. So make an approach. Very good. Reduce the throttle and altitude. Very good. Throttle 0. Okay, that was pretty fast because you did not control elevator, right? Try again. That is attempt 4. Now it will go that side. Keep going. Very nice. Make a turn. Reduce the throttle. Control. No. Keep going. Yes. Actually, you did right. I thought you were going in the fence. Okay, show us one more. One more little good landing. Control throttle, always hold throttle, remember? Good job, keep going. Pilot is running again. Which way you will land from? Right side?
This way.
Okay, keep going. This time show us how to make a good approach. Fly it like a pro, baby. Okay, reduce throttle, control. One more approach. Go around, don't land. You missed your spot. Keep going straight, keep going straight. You did it. Okay, keep this altitude. Don't climb up more, okay? Now go straight now. Go straight. Don't climb up. Yes, very nice turn and reduce throttle and altitude.
There's one guy.
Good, good, good. One more pass. Okay, turn around. Good attitude, good altitude. Keep it right there. Keep it right there. Keep going, and make a turn and control the altitude. Very good. Control, control, control. Very nice, very nice. That's your approach, baby. That's your approach. Reduce the throttle. Elevator. Yes. That is the most beautiful one. See, I told you you could do it, right? I told you you have this in you. You could do it.